Hello. This is God Disable. Ito yung bicavalent pedals. So, yun, may nagre-request kasi na to have a review about this pedal. So, yun. Ito yung tunog niya. Yung mga knobs niya, yung tone niya, nakaset siya ng 9, presence is 4 o'clock, and the gain is 11 o'clock. Trip nyo Planet Shakers. Ano to? Some knobs adjustment. Kung Hillsong naman, yan. Pwede rin siyang low gain kung gusto nyo medyo blues. Yan. So, there you have it. God Disable by Bicavalent Pedals.